hope you can hear that. I walked out of my house, and that loud aerial vehicle crossed right over my property. You could see the flashing lights. I walked from my front door to the chicken coop to close it up, and it's vibrating the environment so loud directly across my property. This is Lorraine Alternative Homesteading. Hope everybody's doing well on this Sunday night. It's very cold. This is what the sky looks like. You can see that. And this is how dark it is here. Actually, the only reason you could see some light is because I've got the light here in the chicken coop, which I'm going to close this door now. And good night, chickie poos, guinea poos. And you can see the sky, the night sky there. And thank you for the individual that pointed out this bright light here. This satellite or drone. This is not a star. Let me show you. It's not a star. Oh, and there's my neighbor. The one I've never met. With their light shining in my back window. But then there's this light. That one. That is not a star. It's not a star. So we've got that one that's there every night. And then my neighbor's light there. And then we've got my other neighbor who's over there. But yeah, check that out. I've never met that neighbor in almost 6 years. But they erected that light after I moved here. And then there's that. That's not a star. I don't know what it is. Perhaps all you smart people can let me know. Now those are stars. I don't know if you can see those. You probably can't. But that there, that is not a star. But anyway, I hope everybody's doing well. These criminals knocked me out. And within the last week, they put another implant in my right ear. And they do it when I'm sitting on the laptop. They come in. And I don't know if they do with a scopolamine, some drug or whatever. But now I've got 2 implants in this one ear. And they actually hurt. They're painful. And these criminals are like vibrating them. Very painful. I don't know how to get them out. They're in a very sensitive part of the ear. I tried photographing it. I'll post some photos. They sliced behind my ear also. They've been doing that like every month for the last 6 months, this slicing behind my ear. So there must be something that they're doing that I'm undoing, and I have to keep redoing it. But leave a comment down below or email me privately if they mess with your ears. And they do it, of course, because I'm a woman here alone. If I were living with somebody, if there's somebody else on the property, this would not be happening. And I said this to my mother even when I was living in New Jersey. If I were married, this would not be happening.